bado tumeanzisha uchunguzi.
Weche mamoko ma wan godo e thuolo ni en ni apisi mar kanisni mar NCCK mayo ugwe mar Kenya ogolo siem ne sirkal ni mondo mi owe kwedo chandruok madhi nyime sekta mar thieth papachoka. Maeri timore kinde ma NCCK ne timo yiero ma jotelo manyien moting'o counties ma Machakos, Kajiado to gi Kitui gi Makueni. Kanoloso gi jofwambo, jakom NCCK Leonard Kasioka nowacho ni sirkal onego ng'i chandruok mantiere sekta mar thieth kendo mondo mi ok one ni chandruok no rumo. Owacho ni jotuo medo yudo chandruok kaluwore kod sirkal golo chenro mag universal health care, ka owacho ni chenro moko onego beni konyo jotuo bende sirkal nogolo oko. Kasioka bende ne lose wach mar chilo mar sirkal
remaining unattended in public health care facilities due to the ongoing doctors' strike. The transition from the National Health Insurance Fund to the Social Health Insurance Fund is extremely slow and not well understood. As a result, many patients are suffering greatly as health facilities quietly decline to treat them based on the NHIF. We call upon the government to speed up the transition and to especially undertake widespread civic education on the same. The committee discussed the state of the economy and it took cognizance of the continued biting high cost of living. The most troubling is the failure to implement policies and measures that meaningfully cut down the cost of living, contrary to what was promised during the elections. Persistent increases in taxation is hurting our people by creating panic and psychological instability. We call on the Parliament to fast-track the review of the Finance Act of 2023, as promised by the Deputy President, to do away with the punitive taxation measures.
Mano